Now, in this video, we are going to take up one more problem on development of lateral surfaces of solids. How to solve this problem by using the SolidEdge software. The problem reads as a cube of 40 mm is resting on HP with its base on HP, such that one of its vertical face is inclined at 30 degrees to VP. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP, inclined to HP at an angle of 45 degrees and passes through the midpoint of the axis. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the cube. So to do that, first we will go for AutoCAD screen, the SolidEdge screen, and here we have the default SolidEdge screen of sheet of A2. Now I need to change it to A4. To do that, why I have to change it for A4? That is basically because I want to take the printout in A4 size sheet. So to do that, take the cursor to the lower left corner on the sheet 1, right click and click on sheet setup and come down to background sheet. Make this background sheet as A4. Don't show the background, you disable it and say OK. Now the sheet will going to shrink from A2 to A4. Now I want to set the display to A4. So to do that, I will go to fit and click it here. Now I need to go to text and take the text font as Times New Roman and to take the font size as 4, enter, and take the cursor here and click, start typing the text. A cube of 40 mm, a cube of 40 mm, then is resting on HP, with its base on HP, such that one of its vertical face is inclined at 30 degrees to VP, inclined at 30 by holding the Alt key, type 0176, 30 degrees to VP. It is cut by a section plane. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP, comma, inclined to HP, at an angle of 45 degrees by holding the Alt key, type 0176 and release the Alt key, 45 degrees, and passes through the midpoint of the axis. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the cube. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the right click. Then you come down to move, go to sketch, click on move, select this and place it wherever you want. Now you go to zoom window and bring it near the screen. So go to Inter Sketch, enable endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical, and all other options you disable it. Then go to line. So first I will start creating the cube. So the cube has got all the sides are equal. So you just take one point, take 40 mm, angle is 0, So go to line, go to the line width, make it 0.05. So then you take any arbitrary point, take 40, angle is 0, then take 40, angle is 90, then take 40, angle is 180, then take 40, angle is 270. Then you go to line command, draw a line from end point of this to the end point of this, similarly from end point of this to end point of this. Now you go to select these 4 lines, okay, by holding the shift key, make it 0.5 and make this as a group, and once you do that, then you take these 2 also as a group. Now you go to rotate, disable copy, select this take end point of this to end point of this. So what is the rotation angle? 30 degrees to VP. So you take 30 degrees and it will come to this side. Now once you do that, go to fit. Now we have the line command, draw one horizontal line of any length. Since the cube has got all the sides are equal, take the offset, take the distance as 40 and you take this distance 40 mm. Now you go to line command and draw one line here, then from end point, then you take this end point, then you take this end point, then you take the intersection of these two. Okay. Now go to trim these sides. Okay. Then go to zoom window, then go to split this line till here and you split this line till here. Go to select this and delete it. Now you select this, make this as the axis line. Okay. Then go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here, then you split this line till here, then you split this line till here. Okay. Then go to line and draw one horizontal line of any length. Okay. Now I need to name them. So to do that, I will go to text, take the font size as 3. Now here you mark these points A, B, C, D, top surface is O. Then similarly the bottom surface P in bracket, then Q in bracket, then R in bracket, okay, then S in bracket, okay, then here O1 in bracket. So similarly you mark this as capital X, then you have VP, then you have HP, and then you come down to this, mark this as A dash, then you have B dash, then you have C dash, then you have D dash, then you have O dash, similarly you have P dash, then you have Q dash, then you have R dash, then you have S dash, then you have O1 dash. Okay. Now you come down to zoom window, go to move, take A, then P, then B, then Q, then O, here from O1, then C, then R, then D, then S, okay, then go to fit, then come down to zoom window, okay, go to move, take X, VP, HP, A dash, B dash, O dash, D dash, C dash, then take R dash, S dash, O1 dash, Q dash, P dash. Now we want to locate the sectional plane. So to do that, so now I need to see. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP, inclined to HP at an angle of 45 degrees and passes through the midpoint of the axis. So since the height is 40, so the midpoint will going to be 20. Once you do that, you offset this line. So the section plane is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. Now we want to incline. You take the intersection point of this and you take the angle. So here you take this as take 50 mm, angle is 45, okay, then you draw a line somewhere here, okay, then go to extend to next. So you take this line, okay, and passes through this. Go to this and you delete this, not required. So now you come down to split this line till here, which is not required. Similarly, split this line till here, okay. Then go to select this line and you delete it, and you select this line and you delete it. Then come down to zoom window, again you bring it nearer. Go to split this line till here and you split this line till here. Then go to select, by holding the shift key you select between these two and make this as 2m, okay. Then you go to section, select this, go to this big dash, small dash, big dash, small dash. Then you go to select this line and you delete it. Now you go to split this line till here, okay. Then you split this line till here, then you split this line till here, and then you split this line till here. Then you go to select, by holding the shift key you select this line, you select this line, and you select this line, and you select this line, and make this as 0.5, okay. Then you select this line and make this as the dotted line, and you say it is 0.35. Now this is how you will be able to write the initial position of the figure, both in the front view as well as in the top view. Now you go to line and you draw a line from here of certain distance. So now you go to text and you mark that point as capital 1, okay. Then you come down to zoom window, okay, and go to split this line till here. Then go to select and you delete this, and go to move, disable copy, you select this and bring it here. Now I need to show the dimensions of this, so we'll go to show the later stage, okay, no problem. Now you go to line, draw a horizontal line from here. Of course already everything is in true length, so there is no need for us to find the true length. So now I will go for take any arbitrary line and you start taking it. You go to trim corner between these two. So we have the point, so go to trim. So how many surfaces you have? We have 4 surfaces, so you offset by 4 surfaces. What is the offset distance? Offset distance is 40, so you type 40. Select this line, right click 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go to trim corner between these two and between these two, okay. Now we have the 4 corners, so go to split this line till here, okay. Now it is passing through, so we will going to consider these points. I will take capital A, B, C, D and capital A. Similarly you have B, Q, R, S and capital B. Okay, then go to fit, then go to zoom window. Now you come down to move, okay, select A, then B, then C, then D, then A. Similarly you have P, Q, R, S, P. Now I want to name them, so we have to start from PQ is the first point, so I will consider this point as 1 dash. Then after that you have BQ, yes, you take 2 dash. After that BQ you have BC, so you take 3 dash. After BC you have C dash, D dash, so you take 4 dash. Then after CD you have DS, so you take 5 dash. Okay, since it is the axis will not be considered. Then after that you have S to B, so we are going to take 6 dash. Okay, then go to zoom window, bring it near to the screen, go to move, take this 6 dash here, 1 dash here, then 2 dash, then 5 dash, okay, then you have 3 dash, then you have 4 dash, okay, then go to fit, come down to zoom window. Now you go to line, take the endpoint and draw this line. So go to trim trim between these two. Similarly, go to line and take endpoint, take endpoint and you go to trim. So this is 1 and 6. So go to text, here you type 1 and here you type 6. Then you have 3, then you have 4. Okay. Then go to zoom window, go to move, take 1 and you take 6. Similarly, you take 4 and you take 3. Okay. Now go to fit, go to zoom window, go to zoom window. Now you go to dimension styles, ISO, modify, take general, take black. Okay. Go to text, takes Times New Roman. Okay. Font size you take 3. Go to lines and coordinates, take it 0.1. Okay. And then apply. Now you go to distance, select on square symbol, say OK, select between these two. So you're going to get square 30. And again you just go to distance between, select this, clear this and OK. Select between these two and you take 40. Then you take the intersection point of this to end of this. Go to vertical or horizontal, you take 20. Then you go to angle between, select between this line and this line, which is 45 degree. Then you go to select this line and this line, you make this to as 0.13. Okay. Now I want to transfer the distance. How to transfer the distance? So you go to distance between, select this endpoint to this endpoint. Okay. So what is that distance? By 2 points. So you will going to get it as 14.64. So you just go to offset, take the distance as 14.64. Okay. Enter. Select this line and you transfer it. Then B, this is the first point, so you mark this point as the first point. Okay. Then I want 2, so 2 is on BQ, so you take it directly. Then go to trim, got this. Then I want B to C, so go to distance between, take endpoint of this to endpoint of this, which is 31.55. So go to offset, take the distance as 31.55, enter, B to C. So once you get this, so we have the text font as 3. So you take this point as 2, then you take this point as 3. Then you have the distance between, select this point to this intersection point. Okay. And take 14.64 towards D. So offset, take the distance as 14.64. Select this C and offset, and you take this point as 4. Okay. Then once you do that, go to zoom window. So go to move, take 3 and here you take 4. Then go to fit, go to zoom window. Now we have 5, so go to line, take endpoint of this, 5 is on DS, correct? So go to trim, okay. Then 6 is on, go to distance between, take this intersection point to this endpoint, which is 31.55. So go to offset, take the distance as 31.55, Okay, select this point D towards A. A means it is on P. Therefore, you will going to get this point as 6. This is 5. Then this is 6. Okay. Then go to move. Move this point wherever you want and you take 6 here. Then you go to split. Split this line till here. Then you split this line till here. Then you split this line till here. Okay. Then you split this line till here. Then join the numbers. Go to line. Take end point to this end point to this end point 3. Then from 4 to this and to this. Okay. Similarly, you go to split. Split this line till here. Then 3 is not there. Okay. Then 5. You split this till here. Then go to select, join the numbers 1, 2, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. Then go to this point and make it 0.5. Similarly, you select this and make it 0.5. Then you select this, then C to R, then 5 to S. Select all these 3 and make it 0.5. Then you show the dimension of these two. So go to distance between. Select between these two, which will be 40. Then you select between these two, which will be 160. Then you select between this point and this point, which is 14.64. Then go to move. Move. Select this and move it wherever you want. Then 2 to 3. 3 is how much? So from 3, B to 3 I want to show because 31.55. So go to offset, take end point to this end point. Okay. You go to by horizontal or vertical, which is 31.55. Okay. Then 4, take end point of this to end point of this, which is 41.64. Then D to 31.55. Then select between this and this, which will be 31.55. Then go to zoom window. Okay. Then again go to move. Select this and you place it outside. Similarly 3, take it outside. Then C, take it outside. Then 4, you take it outside. Then D, you take it outside. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using the SolidEdge software. So this will going to be the development. Move, select this and keep it wherever you want. Go to fit. So this is your final sketch. How a cube of 40 mm side is drawn the development by passing through the section plane, which is perpendicular to HP and inclined to VP by using the SolidEdge software. Thank you.